Welcome to First at 4. I'm Grant Sweeter. Here's a look at your top stories on this Thursday. Positive cases of COVID-19 in South Dakota are now at 3,792, with 60 new positive cases reported today. Active cases in the state are now at 1,312, down 14 from Wednesday. 2,437 patients have recovered. That's up 70 from Wednesday's total. Deaths from COVID-19 are at 43, with 4 new deaths in Minnehaha County. Sioux Falls Mayor Paul TenHaken and Public Health Director Jill Franken addressed the COVID-19 response in the city this morning. The mayor asked that the public practices patience. TenHaken says time is needed in measuring the spread of COVID-19. Since March, the city of Sioux Falls has provided isolation areas for more than 130 guests. Franken said one of the isolation center guests died overnight Tuesday. More on Thursday's city briefing can be found in this story online. South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem held a media update this afternoon. She was joined by Secretary of Labor Marcia Haltman and Secretary of Health Kim Malsom-Risden. Secretary of Health Malsom-Risden says the state will be doing mass testing for vulnerable populations starting next week. That includes nursing homes, assisted living homes, and some of the tribal communities. Employees at these facilities will also be tested. You can review Governor Noem's conference right now on KELOLAND.com. Authorities are investigating how a 31-year-old inmate died at the Minnehaha County Jail on Wednesday. Minnehaha County Warden Michael Madsen said Jordan Eichmann was found unresponsive in her cell during a routine check at 5:55 a.m. Wednesday, May 13th. Jail staff and jail medical staff initiated CPR, but life-saving efforts did not work and Eichmann died. The Department of Criminal Investigations will investigate. No foul play is suspected. From the Capitol News Bureau in Pierre, the State Department of Transportation provided more information about signage posted in areas of western South Dakota where the Cheyenne River Sioux Tribe and the Ogallala Sioux Tribe are operating highway checkpoints to control who travels onto their reservations. The tribal governments are trying to limit the spread of the coronavirus into local populations who live within the Pine Ridge and Cheyenne River reservations. You can read more on the message boards and where they're located in the full report from Capitol News Bureau reporter Bob Mercer online right now. Scroll down in the First at 4 story for a look at today's forecast from the KELOLAND Live Doppler HD Storm Center. That's First at 4 on this Thursday afternoon. I'm Grant Sweeter. For the latest updates, download the KELOLAND News app.